Have a question for an advisor? Need help with your cognitive science or psychology major? Stressed about classes? Maybe it's time to seek out advising. Here are the avenues you can take. Any quick questions can be answered by the front desk assistant, so feel free to message psychfro@ucsc.edu on Google Hangouts during our open hours. See the calendar on our website for the advising schedule. We recommend attending drop-in advising with our trained peer advisors as your first stop before determining if you have questions for a staff undergraduate advisor. Peer advisors are able to answer most questions about the cognitive science and psychology majors and the major declaration process, give enrollment advice, and can provide graduation/progress checks, academic planning, and more. If you have questions they can't answer, peer advisors have a line of communication with undergraduate advisors and can refer you to undergraduate advisors if appropriate. You can find the times drop-in advising is available in the advising calendar on our website. Once you're ready for drop-in, message psychfro@ucsc.edu on Google Hangouts. Google Hangouts can be accessed through your email on a browser or via the app on your phone. The front desk assistant will check you in, and once a peer advisor is available to help you, they will email you a Zoom link. You must use the Zoom link within 5 minutes to keep your place in line, so please keep an eye on your UCSC email after you checked in for drop-in advising. Please note that our busiest times are in the afternoon right after a class block ends. Advising week and enrollment are also very busy times for peer advisors. The least busy time is early in the morning. To find the most updated schedule, check out our calendar on our website, shown here. If you want to make an appointment to meet with a psychology undergrad advisor, log on to Slug Success and click Schedule an Appointment. An important note about making an appointment is that you will only see availability 7 days in advance. If it's not showing you any available appointments within this time frame, then it means that advisors are not offering appointments at that time, or the available appointment times have been filled. You also won't see available appointments if you have conflicts on your own UCSC calendar during those open times, if your calendar is synced to Slug Success. Please note, most questions can be answered through drop-in advising with a peer advisor. Students who are still only proposed in a major are best served through drop-in advising, unless assistance is needed with appeals or petitions, or there are concerns about meeting the eligibility criteria to declare.